Lincoln loves just spending time with his dad and traveling around the world.
Making these videos has really helped us spend more time together.
And now we get to do more things as a family.
I'm Dan.
I'm Leslie.
And we have a channel called What's Inside. It fosters curiosity, and it's allowed us to have a really fun time as a family. Whoa. Thanks to our friends at Chromebook, we are now in LA today, and the great thing about the channel is that we're coming here to see what's inside of a disco ball, but we all get to come as a family, and we're going to have some time that we get to go and do fun things.
With a family of 5, it's so important that we remain in sync with each other, and we do this through Chromebook. We have 3 kids that go to 3 different schools, so everything has to be synced up to make sure that everybody is getting the things done that they need to every day. Family Link is an app that helps you create healthy digital habits for your family.
We have limits each day on how many minutes they're able to be on their devices. As a child, there's certain things that you may not know are bad places to go on the internet, and so Family Link helps us choose certain websites that they can or can't go to protect them from themselves of going down a road that they didn't want to go down. We want to be in a safe location. I think this could work.
Let's do it.
So today we're going to a prop house in Hollywood, a place where they have all the props for movies and TV shows. And we wanted to see what's inside of a disco ball. We were curious to see how it's really built and really made. Let's do that one. Okay, awesome. All right, deal. Let's go. Now that we have the perfect disco ball, we're meeting with the explosives expert. This is gonna be the fun part, figure out how to explode this thing the best way.
And the safest way possible, of course.
We have Neil, our expert for explosions. Is this what you do for a living?
Oh, yeah.
Stuff up?
Actually, that's what I do.
So we've got camera A, which is like the main one that's gonna do the slow-mo. What other camera angles do you think we need?
We should have it showing our reaction.
Oh yeah, like right
That's
here.
a good
we've got
idea.
a camera.
Good idea, Claire.
So the plan for tomorrow is set. We have everything ready from protecting the camera from the explosion, protecting the people from the explosion. All that's really left for us now is to meet with the camera team to make sure that we really dial in the special slow motion camera so that we don't miss that explosion shot. Oh.
Maybe a bit slower.
Might need to go slower.
At the end of the day, we want to have just fun memories, right? We have a complete archive of all of our family adventures and times together.
So now all that's left to do is just to have fun tomorrow and really execute on the plan and just have a blast with the explosive ball. That's right.